Good afternoon. This is Lisa's Restaurant. I'm Sherwin. How may I help you?
I would like to make table reservation, please.
Certainly, sir. May I please to know whom I am speaking to?
Mr. Castro.
Sir, should I make this table reservation in your name?
Yes.
For how many people, sir?
For one, please.
At what time, sir?
8 p.m.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area, sir?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat table booking? I will repeat your table reservation, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you are having a table reservation at 8 p.m. tonight for one person in the non-smoking area under your name, sir.
Yes.
Go. Sir, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Lisa's Restaurant, sir. We look forward in welcoming you, sir. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Lisa's Restaurant. May I please to ask, we have a reservation under your name?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Yes, sir. Your table ready. Please follow me.
Okay.
May I assist you? Your table napkin, sir.
Yes, please. But
No, sir. This is our menu.
okay.
Good evening, sir. Here's our menu for selection. These are choices of appetizer, soup, salad, entries, main dishes, dessert, drinks, bottled water, sodas, juice, teas, coffee, liquors, cocktails, mocktails, and wines. For tonight, sir, special we have grilled narwhal, salmon, and for my recommendation, may I suggest rib eye as it one of the best seller. I'm sorry, sir, to inform that evening the pork tenderloin temporarily unavailable. I will take your order whenever you are ready.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. May I fill your glass with distilled water?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your order, sir?
Okay. For appetizer, chicken tikita.
Okay, sir.
For salad, fresh salad. For soup, asparagus soup.
Okay, sir.
For main dish, Caesar pork belly. For dessert, blood orange olive oil cake.
Thank you, sir. Okay, noted. Can I repeat your order, sir? Chicken piccata, fresh salad, asparagus soup, Caesar pork belly, blood orange olive oil cake, sir, for dessert.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here is your complimentary bread.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I please your silverware, sir?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. This is your order. Chicken piccata for appetizer.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your plate, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your order. Fresh salad.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your plate, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your order. Asparagus soup. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your soup plate?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. This is your main dish. Caesar pork belly. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Excuse me, sir. This is your. We have a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon of Beringer Californian wine as well. Excuse me, sir. This is your order. Blood orange olive oil cake for dessert, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your bill.
Here.
I received 2,000 pesos, sir.
Keep the change.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.